Okay, pretty easy assignment on this, okay? Find the slope and y-intercept of the graph of each equation. Well, so we don't see the graph, but this is a term you need to be able to pick up on, okay? So you're going to put slope and y-intercept. Now you're going to put a wall on the side of the equals where the y is at, and the y is by itself, okay? Now you got 5 times x minus 2. Whatever's multiplied by x, that's your m. You label that m, and this is your b. M is the slope. Why they call it m, I have no idea. But m is your slope, so it'd be 5. And the y-intercept is negative 2. Okay. Next one. Slope, y-intercept. Y-int. Just put y-int. Okay, so times, so that's m, that's b. Okay, so negative 1/2 is the slope, and then 2/3 is your y-intercept. Yeah, that's all you do here, okay? Okay, so slope, y-intercept. So the slope is negative 7, the y-intercept is positive 5. Okay, y equals negative 7 times x plus 5. Okay, next one. Slope, y-int. Okay. So I put, there's a multiplier of x, there's your m, and then so the b, if there's not a b, you put 0. Okay. So 1/3 is your slope, and 0 is your y-intercept. Okay. Now, we have a little interesting thing on this one. There's no x, okay? So there's no m. The slope now is 0 because there's no m. This is a b, so the y-intercept's negative 7. Because there's no x, so there's no multiplier, so the slope would be 0. Okay. Y equals 8x plus 24, so m and b. So slope, y-int. So here's x, the multiplier is an 8, okay? So the slope would be 8, and then 24 would be the y-intercept. Okay, y equals negative 0.75x plus 5. So slope, y-int. So here's the x, it's got a times and a plus. The multiplying number is your m, and then the added number is your b. So the slope, negative 0.75, and the y-intercept is positive 5. Okay, y equals 0.3x. Okay. Slope, y-int. That's y-int. Okay, so we got the multiplier there. That's your m. Now there's no b, so the b is 0. Okay, so 0.3. And then 0. Okay, now in our next page, now you're given the slope and y-intercept, and you have to write the equation. You're going the opposite way. So m is negative 1/3 equals negative 1/3, b equals 5. Remember, m's the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay. Okay, so to write the equation, we write an equals, and the y is over here by itself. And then we got blank x plus blank. The m goes here, and the b goes here. So the m, negative 1/3, and y-intercept is 5. And there's the equation. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 5. Okay, so there's the equation. Remember, m is the slope, so m goes here, b goes here. So 0.8 is the m, negative 7 is the b. So it's y equals 0.8x plus negative 7. M equals 1/3, b equals 1 1/4. Okay, so the m 1/3 and the b 1 1/4. So y equals 1/3 x plus 1 1/4 equals y blank x plus blank mb. So the m is negative 5 and the b is negative 7. So y equals negative 5x plus negative 7, or you could write minus 7. Okay, y equals blank x plus blank mb. So m negative 4 and b negative 8. Y equals negative 4x plus negative 8.